Hey everybody, how's it going? I hope you're having a lovely day. So on this channel, I've expressed frustration when I hear people say that they've removed the headphone jack from a device in order to make it more sustainable, as if this is going to make it more green. I went over that in this rant video that I will link to down below. And today what I'd like to do is I'd like to read an email from a subscriber that really illustrates this point very well. So he says, "Thought you'd find this interesting. This was after I lost one right earbud and they refused to sell me the one individual earbud that must be sold in pairs. A few weeks after paying $300 for the set. They sent him this. I will remove his name because I do not want to out him as a user of Jabra products because that would just be embarrassing." But I mean, I'm half kidding. I have them too. They suck. But let's go over this. It says, "Please keep in mind that the manufacturer's warranty does not apply to products that have not been charged for 6 months. If the battery in a product has not been charged for a period of 6 months, the product might not function or regain its full potential and long-term performance." Now, it not regaining its full potential and long-term performance, fine. No warranty if it hasn't been charged for 6 months? That's insane. This is a consumer product. The battery is going to run out on it from time to time, and sometimes people are going to forget to plug it back in. The customer says this was literally pennies worth of silicone, and they couldn't even do proper battery management to stop the things from self-bricking. And I've had several of these. We used to buy them for people at the store because in spite of the fact that the earpieces are not really good at isolating, they're just not made to fit in your ear the way, let's say, a Shure IEM or other IEMs are, where they actually block out outside noise. And in spite of the fact that they sound like shit, the actual microphone on them is really good at blocking outside noise if you're in a noisy area and are having a conversation with a customer. So we got a bunch of these for people at the store. And let me tell you, you forget to charge this thing for a few months, they're dead. Like they're just permanently dead. And there's no way to get in here. There's no way to get in here to really replace the battery in an easy way. This looks like the type of thing where you're going to destroy it to get and replace the battery. Here, this is a Shure RMC BT2. This, it looks like, at least you can kind of sort of pry it open to get inside of it if you want to replace the battery on it. But again, good luck finding a battery. They're not here. If you go to sites that sell Shure spare parts, they're not there. And when you look at Shure's manual, it says battery replacement to be performed only by Shure authorized service personnel. And again, are you really going to send a Bluetooth cable in to have a battery replaced and pay professional labor for this? These things are going to wind up in the trash in a year or two. Whereas headphones like this, I bought these in 2006. I still own them and they still work. Over here, I have another set of wired headphones, and while the wire at some point may die, because these use this MMCX standard, I'm probably going to be using these headphones 20 years from now. Maybe if the cable goes bad, I just unplug the cable, buy another cable for $5 because I wind up killing these cables once every 2 or 3 years, and then I will have a working device again. Instead of having a device where if I forget to charge it for a few months, it is dead because you took something that retails for over $150, and to save out on a few cents of silicone, you used an even shittier battery management system than Kyle Dorkson at Future Motion on the one wheel. Why? Why? And again, this is the future that we're going into, where people not only say this is more sustainable, but more green. Now, to be clear, I'm not trying to come from some sort of holier-than-thou place where I say you don't care about the environment if you use Bluetooth headphones. I use Bluetooth headphones as well. I have uses for when I use the wired headphones. I have uses for when I use the Bluetooth headphones. They're for different things. If I'm at the gym, Bluetooth headphones. Riding my bike, Bluetooth headphones. If I want to be able to move back and forth between a couple of different computers, or I just want to be able to plug in to quickly hear something and I don't want to wait 5 or 10 or 20 seconds and fuck around with pairing, then I use these. They have different uses at different times, and I am not lecturing you if you like the use of your Bluetooth headphones. What drives me crazy is the idea that people are honestly willing to say, with a straight face, that this shit is more fucking sustainable and more fucking green, when it is not. It is a shitpost. It is a horrible, horrible shitpost to say that when you have devices with disposable batteries that are going to die after a year or two, that you cannot replace, that they do not offer replacements for, that they will say, if you don't charge it, not only are we not going to sell you a battery, but you have no warranty, that this is more sustainable and more green. It is gaslighting, and it is bullshit that anybody accepts this. I'm not trying to go on the guy too hard for buying Jabra. I've bought Jabra too in the past. They have a really good microphone, even if the earpieces suck, even if the company sucks, and especially the fucking battery management is awful. But this is the reality of it. This is the direction that we're supposed to be going in because you care about the environment. So every year or two, or every 6 months, if you forget to charge it, you just throw out a lithium battery. You throw out the circuit board, you throw out the charging management circuit board, you throw out everything in there that's still good? Really? Because you guys couldn't make a proper battery management circuit. Really? Because you don't want to sell a battery. Good job. That's it for today. And as always, hope you learned something. I'll see you all in the next video.